Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Firo coin using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open up the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section on the bottom left corner. And then on the top of the screen, you will see four icons, the send, receive, buy, and trade icons. And you can either buy or receive cryptos to your wallet. Now let's go to receive, and it's going to open up the whole list of cryptos. There are quite a lot of cryptos available. You can either search for cryptos or just scroll down and look on the list. Now here is Firo. We are talking about Firo right now. And then just tap on it and you will receive your Firo QR code. And by scanning this, you can send Firo to your Trust Wallet from a different wallet, or you can send this QR code to others, so you can receive Firo. And you can also use the copy feature, which is going to copy your Firo address. And by sending this, you can also receive Firo. Now the middle icon, the set amount icon, is a very cool feature. By tapping on it, you can type in a specific amount of Firo, and with this new QR code that it just generated and this new address, you can receive a specific amount of Firo, which is a very good way for payments or transactions. And also the share feature is very good. You can use it to share your QR code or address on social media and other platforms. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.